Dear children, since we have completed the explanation part of lesson 6, the part of my own, so in today's video, I would like to tell you the exercise portion of the same lesson. So let's start. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Okay. Won't it get crowded when it stops to pick up the passengers? ये और ज़्यादा क्राउडेड हो जाएगी या इसमें और ज़्यादा भीड़ हो जाएगी जब ये दूसरे यात्रियों के लिए रुकेगी, मैंने पूछा. हु आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन एंड टू whom? ये जो क्वेश्चन है, ये जो बात है, ये किसने किससे पूछा था? द राइटर आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन, द नरेटर. हु इज द नरेटर? हु इज टेलिंग अस द स्टोरी? द नरेटर आस्क्ड दिस टू हिज मदर. उसने अपनी माँ से पूछा था. हिज मदर. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, वेयर वॉज द स्पीकर एट द मोमेंट? उस टाइम पे स्पीकर कहाँ था जब उसने ऐसा पूछा था? द स्पीकर वॉज in the pod, sorry, inside the pod, inside a pod. Okay. What made the speaker think that it would be crowded? Okay, the author said that because he thought that the pod will stop for the most passenger. It is very long answer. Okay, so here leave it. I will send the answer of this question in your WhatsApp group. Okay, complete these sentences with information from the text. Okay, so as we have already completed the explanation, so there you would find the answer. The writer was visiting. To whom he was visiting? The writer was visiting his uncle in London. Okay. They reached Heathrow airport at 11 a.m. Pod is another name for ultra. ULTRA, ultra, PRT. Okay. The pods were controlled by computers. Okay. Pods are environment friendly because they are battery powered. Okay. Now what is next? Answer the question. So just give it abbreviation. What are abbreviations? Okay. Abbreviations are usually formed by using the first letter in capital. Okay, like here U of urban. Okay, U is taken from the word urban, so it is the first letter of urban, so it is taken here. Lights, L is the first letter of light, so it is taken here, and T. Okay, transports, T is taken here. So it is abbreviation of urban light transport. Okay, abbreviation are usually formed by using the first letter in capitals of the words that make the full form. By U we can understand the full form urban. Okay, so these short form of these complete words are called abbreviation. Okay. So here you can read, if and the and of are part of the full name. Okay, अगर किसी full name में हम of देखते हैं, and देखते हैं, ये the देखते हैं, they are not usually include in the abbreviation, तो उनको abbreviation में बनाने में include नहीं किया जाता. Like IRCT, it is an abbreviation and the full form of this abbreviation will be IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. So here answer C. Okay. ITDC, I for India, T for tourism, D for development, and C for corporation. So here the answer will be E. Okay. Then IATA, I for international, A air, T transport, A association. So here the answer will be F. IGIA, I for Indira, G Gandhi, I international, A airport. So here the answer is D. DMRC, D Delhi, M metro, R rail, C corporation. So here answer B. Then ISBT, I inter, S state, B bus, T terminus. So here the option A will be the answer. Okay. Now we need to write, here we have connected the abbreviation with their full forms, and here full forms are given here and we have to write their abbreviation. Now here World Health Organization. So we will take W, H and organization O. Okay, it is abbreviation. Now All India Radio, A I R. Then All India Institute of Medical Science, All A India I Institute I Medical of, we cannot include, we don't include of. See, it is given here. ऊपर मैंने बताया and, the and of use नहीं किया जाता. Then medical, M, science, S, it is AIMS. Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry, M, external, E, affairs, A. Okay. So here WHO, AIR, AIMS and MEA. Now next exercise, subject and verb agreement. Read the sentences, then fill in the blanks with statements below. Okay, subject verb agreement. We use a singular verb is. What is always used for singular noun. एक noun के लिए, singular person के लिए, single. Okay. So terrapin, here we can see terrapin is singular noun. कैसे subject है? Singular है, एक ही है ना. Here we are talking about singular number noun. So we will use is. और are का हम कहाँ use करते हैं? When we see the noun in its plural form. जब plural form में होते. What is plural form? I already told you in your grammar portion. The plural forms noun many in numbers, more than one. जो एक से ज़्यादा कई लोग होते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं plural forms. So is always used for singular, a single noun, and are is always used for plural noun. Okay, we use a singular verb is with a singular subject. Okay, and are, we use a plural verb are with a plural subject. Okay, हम सिंगुलर के साथ is यूज करते हैं और प्लूरल के साथ are यूज करते हैं. ओके, नाउ Simran or Gurpreet is going to sing. Two singular subjects connected by or, either or. हम दो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट को कैसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं? या तो और लगाकर, या फिर आइदर और लगाकर, या फिर नाइदर नॉर लगाकर. आइदर और मीन्स व्हेन वी सी द टू ऑप्शंस, या तो मैं या तो वो जाएगी. नाइदर व्हेन वी डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन, ना तो मैं और ना ही वो. ओके. एंड और जब दो के बीच में किसी एक को सेलेक्ट करना हो. सिमरन और गुरप्रीत इज गोइंग टू सिंग. सिमरन या गुरप्रीत दोनों में से कोई एक गाने जा रहा है. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव यूज्ड हियर इज. नाइदर आई नॉर किरण इज गोइंग फॉर द पार्टी. ना तो मैं जा रही हूँ और ना ही किरण जा रही है पार्टी में. ओके. When we using or, either and neither nor in a sentence, the verb agrees with the noun pronoun closest to it. Like, neither the books nor the register is on that shelf. Okay, what is the closest pronoun? Here, neither the books nor the register in on that shelf. ना तो कोई बुक है और ना ही nor, ये neither and nor. Okay. ना तो बुक और ना ही कोई रजिस्टर उस अलमारी पे रखा हुआ है. नाइदर द रजिस्टर नॉर द बुक्स आर ऑन दैट सेल्फ. वाई वी हैव यूज्ड आर हियर? बिकॉज वी कैन सी द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ बुक हियर. ओके. तो ना ही कोई रजिस्टर है और ना ही कोई किताबें हैं. तो हम यहाँ पे कौन सा वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे? नाउन और प्रोनाउन के अकॉर्डिंग में. ओके. जो लाइक व्हेन वी यूज अ सिंगुलर वर्ब विच डिस्टेंस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, सम्स ऑफ मनी एक्सेट्रा, वी कंसीडर्ड एज अ सिंगल यूनिट. ओके. जब हम कहीं की डिस्टेंस देखते हैं सेंटेंस में, पीरियड ऑफ टाइम देखते हैं, या पैसे देखते हैं, या कोई सम्स ऑफ मनी, ओके, कोई पैसे का हिसाब किताब देखते हैं, वी कंसीडर्ड इज एज अ सिंगुलर नाउन. ओके. 100 रुपीज़, 100 रुपये is too much for the rubber band. Okay. Now you can see it is used is here and we use is for singular noun. 5 years was a long time to be on holiday. Okay. यहाँ पर हम क्या देख सकते हैं? पीरियड ऑफ टाइम 5 years, 5 साल. was is the simple past. was we used for the past tense. ठीक है. past tense के लिए हम यूज करते हैं was. Choose the correct verb from the brackets to complete each sentence. Where the boy gone? Here we see the noun in singular number. यहाँ पर एक ही noun है, singular number है. So we will use here has, because have is used for plural form. यहाँ पर have का यूज हम plural form में करेंगे. Okay. Now they told me to close their books and listen. They is plural form subject, so we will write here were. Neither Sweta nor Rani. ना तो श्वेता और ना ही रानी. wants, क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी हम सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट काउंट करेंगे. Neither the players nor the coach is happy. The child and his mother. Okay. यहाँ we can see the child along with his mother, so we will consider it as plural noun. Okay. So we will write here are. So now children, I think this is sufficient for this video. So in next video we will do the next exercise of the same lesson. Okay. Thank you.